So Uppingham, back to Market Harborough, and we.
Yes, welcome to one of our rider blogs. This is a beautiful little ride from Uppingham, beautiful market town in Rutland, all the way down through to Market Harborough. It's about a 20-minute journey, there or thereabouts, depending how you ride. Hope you enjoy. And if you get a moment, please like and subscribe. It really helps us build the channel. So starting Uppingham, this route gives us a few twisties to start our journey. Quite fun, these roads.
It's right up behind the hills here. I forgot I had a microphone on. I forgot I was filming there for a second. It's a beautiful day. It's about 22 degrees and it's beginning of April. Seasonably unwarm. Beautiful. Bring it on. Sweeping downhill hairpin. Down the hill.
So the first of our very small villages here on the edge of Leicestershire and Rutland is Stockerston.
Oh, peasants! Why are they so stupid? Stupid pheasant.
So having come out that last rather sharp bend there, we've got a beautiful uphill climb now, going through the valley, up the other side. Lovely sweeping corners here for quite a few miles.
We're right at the top of the hills here. I love this road around here. Let's go from Uppingham to... Oh, I see the road fall away on the left there. Don't want to catch that on the run there again. Not exactly Mallory Park, is it?
Now Now, just a word of warning about this corner, especially coming from the other way, especially on the other side, the camber really slopes away, and every year there will be a car-shaped or a motorbike-shaped hole in the hedge on the opposite side. So we're now at the highest point of the route and then work our way downhill into Medbourne.
Look at this beautiful hill. Be for miles and miles over the Welland Valley. This is like a hypercoaster. Who needs to go to Thorpe Park to go to Hyperion? You got to go like this on a motorbike. So more fun. Woo, airtime.
So into Medbourne we are in Leicestershire. It's an ancient village whose name actually means meadow stream. It lies on the old Roman road known as the Via Divana, hence that straight road down there. The village has a 13th century packhorse bridge with 4 arches over the Medbourne Brook, and St Giles Church dates back from the same period. And some nice eateries, a nice place to stop off as well.
I've got a bit of time on my hands, so I'm going to take the scenic way. Anything more on the drizzle, this road floods, so it's not the best if you've got a bike. See how high it goes to there. But there's Medbourne. We just had the bottle kicking at the Easter bank holiday weekend. It's a very famous sort of one of those quirky English along there with like the cheese rolling or the barrel rolling off to St Mary and all those little quirky Geddington Boxing Day squirts as well. And basically a thing called a bottle, which is like a leather ball. And over the other side over there is Hallerton. And this is Medbourne. And the idea is to get your ball back to your pub in the village. It's just a big, basically it's a big organised licensed fight between the farmers and the rugby players of the two towns, really, to be perfectly honest. But it's all good fun. It's worth a visit. Let's go to Medbourne to Slawston. See, the road just falls away at the edges there and really throw you off guard. It's not like a racetrack at all. You've got these extra hazards. There we go, Slawston. Another of these lovely little Leicestershire villages. Look at the hill here. A bit hazy, slightly hazy, but it's all right. Gosh, they've been running up that hill. Oh my God, they're brave. And of course, remember we speed up a film for dramatic effect to fit as much of this beautiful countryside in as possible. Over the pile, yeah. See the sign there, the green sign, the footpath, bridle path. So looking out for horses, not always just riding defensively, looking for the what if, what could go wrong, what could happen, what could develop. Any visual skills you take from the road. It's the apply to the bike, of course, even more so, to be perfectly honest.
So Slawston brings us into Welland in Leicestershire, a small ancient village in the Welland Valley. Its name actually means homestead by the stream, and recorded in the Domesday Book, like all our villages, of 1086.
It's Welland, Western by Welland, I think it's called. Well, it's like little pubs to visit, you know, if you ever come out here biking, just pop in there, make you feel very welcome. Slow down for this bridge. It's evil. It's got a little speed bump on it. Just, whoa! Even there, that speed. Catch you off guard. Everyone does that once. Just the once, though. Yeah, it's a very hot, sweaty way of getting around, isn't it? Yeah, oh.
There we are, that's the end of our journey, it's the end of our video blog from Uppingham through to Great Bowden and behind it Market Harborough. Do come and visit us in Leicestershire and Rutland. This is a beautiful place to go riding out. And also please like and subscribe, like the videos, press notify, we're landing videos all the time. Thanks for watching, happy riding, happy safe riding.